Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering credentials and confirming eligibility. This saves time and prevents lockouts. Once you have your hall ticket number and qualifying exam details, open the official Eamcet portal and sign in. Make sure your browser is updated and pop-up blockers are disabled so forms load correctly. If the page warns about session timeouts, act promptly and use a desktop where possible. These steps ensure you can access the web options page without interruptions and avoid losing changes mid-process. Once logged in, navigate to the web options area and select the current counseling round. You will see your existing preferences, add new college course pairs, drag or use controls to reorder them, and remove unwanted choices. Save your progress frequently to avoid data loss, and double-check institute codes versus printed names to prevent mismatches. If you need to pause, use the Save Draft option. This lets you return without restarting. Doing this carefully increases your chance of getting the most preferred allotment. You finalize by thoroughly reviewing your ordered list and then submitting before the deadline. This generates a confirmation number you must note. After submission, immediately download and print the options summary and any fee receipt for your records. If the portal shows an error or the confirmation fails, contact the official helpline quoting your credentials and the attempted action. As a troubleshooting tip, take screenshots of any failure messages and your submission attempts. These prove you acted and speed resolution if disputes arise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.